It's a joint program founded on a law that's finally found its niche, Food Donation Act of 2009, and with First Lady Liza Marcos and DSWD Chief Rex Gatchalian at the helm. A twin-pronged attack on the dual problem of hunger and food wastage will surely hit its marks. PTV's Benji Durango has more on the newly hatched anti-poverty program that seeks to uplift close to 250,000 poor, homeless, and indigents.
This is not a restaurant. It's not fast food either. But the food is restaurant quality.
Kamusta ang kain? Masarap ba?
Okay lang po,
Ayos lang.
This is the newly opened Walang Gutom Kitchen, inaugurated today by First Lady Liza Marcos and DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian.
Prioridad ng Pangulo natin, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., wakasan ng kagutuman. So kung matatandaan nyo, yung program natin called Walang Gutom, yun yung food stamps na umaandar na, wherein we give supplemental food credits.
The program is supported by an old law that hasn't been fully implemented yet, Republic Act number 9803, also known as the Food Donation Act of 2009. The DSWD will process excess food donations or surplus food from private companies at a food hub. This program addresses two problems: hunger and food wastage.
Kesa itapon lang yung pagkain, maraming nagugutom, ibagsak nila dito, kami naman ang magsisigurado na yung mga nagugutom nating kababayan makakakuha ng pagkain araw-araw.
Food experts will process the surplus rations to ensure they are safe for consumption.
Masarap ba yung kinakain mo?
Apo,
Talaga? Kailan ka huling kumain ng ganyan?
meron lang po. Maganda po dito eh.
80 people were served today, but the project's goal is to provide daily meals to those considered food poor, including street children, the homeless, and anyone experiencing hunger.
Basta nagugutom ka, pwede ka pumunta dito.
The Walang Gutom Kitchen is located at the Nasdaqi building on FB Harrison in Pasay City, which was once a POGO facility. Aside from the food hub, the building also houses homeless individuals with nowhere to go and stay. From PTV, Benji Durango, Balitang Pambansa.
This Walang Gutom Kitchen is a food bank kung saan ang private sector at ang public sector magsasanib puwersa para mabawasan ang wastage ng pagkain at matugunan rin ang problema ng kagutuman sa Metro Manila at later on when we expand this type of food banks nationwide.
Isa sa prioridad ng Administrasyong Marcos ang mabawasan ang kagutuman sa bansa. Kaya ngayong araw, pinasinayaan ng Department of Social Welfare and Development kasama si First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos ang pagbubukas ng Walang Gutom Kitchen sa Pasay City. Ayon kay DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian, layo nitong mapakain ang mga Pilipinong nagugutom sa tulong din ng mga pribadong sektor. Sinabi ng kalihim na hinihikayat nila ang mga hotel at restaurant sa bansa na dalhin sa Walang Gutom Kitchen ang kanilang mga sobrang pagkain upang maipamahagi sa mga nangangailangan.
Actually, iba-ibang konsepto eh. Meron kasing surplus na luto na, pero meron ring mga food companies na nagdo-donate ng hilaw pa or nasa delata. So lahat yan tatanggapin natin basta pagkain.